Hello my dear friends and welcome to my channel. If you are watching this video, you want to get an honest review of Venngage, the infographics generator, but not all infographics. This time I'm gonna create a grand proposal with the help of Venngage, so stay tuned and you will know how to make it with ease because AI engine does all the work for you. You can check out the link below this video to try it out by yourself. And of course, click the subscribe button if you still didn't do it to get updated on new videos. Let's go. So what I'm doing right now is clicking on the proposals tab, and right here I insert and paste my request that I want to see, the grant proposal, community AI upskilling, so on and so forth. There must be solutions outlined for me, the audience, the budget thing, so everything must be included. And after this, I click on generate the proposal. It might take some time, but for us, this time flies super fast. So that's a 5-page document that I have received. So for example, the problem is outlined here, needs assessment. A recent community audit reveals that over 80% of the local workforce lacks foundational AI literacy. Let's go on and see what else. Curriculum overview, target audience, underemployed adults, career changers, and local small business owners are the target audience. For example, for this grant proposal, in order to change the way people interact with AI. And the budget and sustainability. Personal is $25,000, cloud computing and software $10,000, curriculum development, marketing and outreach, miscellaneous, so on and so forth. What you need to do next is click on continue editing, and then there's gonna happen something else. I'm in the editing section right now. You have different tabs on your left. Brand kit, you can change the fonts, for example, and the color play. Maybe this is better, maybe not, but let's see. Let it be like this. What I want to do next is you can be very, very easy about the, for example, the budget summary, right? What you can do is choose this type of graph, put it right here, and as you can see, it's still working well. I can make it smaller, and here I can choose public sector, education, technology. I can actually change the values in these chart, or I can also import CSV or other file or Excel file, and it will have this information uploaded and changed right in the document. Let it be 1000, and it's gonna be like that. What I want to do also here is AI designer. So I need to review my design. I want AI to estimate how well my document in terms of design looks like. Let's see what AI has to offer. So here are the suggestions. Add images on page 2. For example, page 2, let's check it. Add images that represent the community and the skills gap you are addressing. Photo of diverse people learning together. Diverse people, not just, as here, super generic photo taken from some stocks, maybe. Change chart type. On page 5, replace the bar chart with the pie chart to visualize the budget breakdown. Yes, that would make the information more understandable. For example, these things, right? There could be a special chart. Unify icon styles, make the title more impactful. Perfect. Thank you very much for this information. Let's go on and let's improve some texts. Let me choose, for example, like this text, and select a text box. For example, this one. Yeah? And let's have that make shorter, make more professional. Let's check it out. Establish a corporate sponsorship initiative to secure funding for upcoming cohorts. Replace, and as you can see, it's already different. Easy to work with that. Whatever you need. Or, for example, if you need to translate my design to to German, for example. Let's go. It took some time to translate, and right now the whole document is in German, for example. It's very good to create it in your native language, whatever language you understand, to know what's included in the document. And if you need to deal, for example, with different grant investors, just make it for their specific country. And what I can see here is it looks well, looks still good, and everything is in German. Yes, that's how it works. Pretty cool. Venngage, something that you need to try out. It will change the way you deal with documents and information, and you will have way more chances to get a grant if you are creating a grant proposal with Venngage. I wish you good luck, and please check out the description box for the link to try it out right away. All the best to you. Bye-bye.